to assess the situation because of the
Kompleto na ang tropa recording 407B, Fernvale, HDB, Remembrance.
That is a diversionary tactic for not
Tyrone Incabo,
no interest in Zamboanga.
John Sermilleri,
Meriam Santiago. Kapila si Meriam.
Paolo Mags,
Lapeñas. Yo, Rapeño.
Abuel Silent Tagaan,
Meriam Santiago.
Aurelian Santiago.
President of the Philippines.
Kanina time recording mo ni siya katong the Fallen 44 nga issue. Ang apiki ang mga general. Failure!
Upland exhibit and
Wala failure! Wala failure!
Napoleon mo nang isa Napoleon.
Nagami sa Fallen
Kumbran. Diyan, nato na res. Who just got up.
nagaandam na si Paulo sa atong mga Texas na gilibre ni John and ni Tatay, Texas Chicken. For the record, na sila bonus $12K, Singapore dollars.
I don't want to work already.
Asa na wala si Tinta sa 12K.
Asa matangitag kung kanya 12K.
Narangsok niya. Ano 15K na? Kaya 15. Iyaw niya ang dinner daw. For the record.
The enemy forces knowing the actual and
Ang idol ni John, pero ang dagway na si Piñas.
forces or our forces, they go there. The reaction is more of
Nanghipos nami karon kay madto nami sa among new house
would really react and
later.
that's what we prepare for, Your Honor.
So, money. This is it.
Tell the president, sir.
This is it. Madto na sila sa Senator Mall.
General Espina and
We're going to buy
Goodbye.
Texas store, so just wait for a while.
Marie, what was
Right back
he the one who
after
told you to do that?
No, Your Honor.
Nobody told you. You just excluded.
Katawahan sa tanya niya.
Kita, pinaka sa ato, 20 years from now.
Okay, so
Nalapukan na
mga 60 namin mo ni ang bike ni
Si Sparky.
Sparky.
Spiky lang si
Sorry, Spiky. So,
For the record, 3 of them already fallen.
sa mga sabot lang ato, 3 of us already fallen. Muna siya, pangagat na ni.
Are you gonna follow us?
3 of us.
Record also, I'm a musician. Ano?
Follow the trend. The fallen.
Muna ang specialized Camber 29 ni Paolo Mags. As you can see, Shimano Alivio ang shifters, Tektro Gemini SL ang hydraulic brakes, natay Nog na front light. Yung shocks is rock shocks. I'm not so sure with the model. It's a 29er, that's why it's a Camber 29. Yung rims is what are the rims? Rims ETRO, I'm not so sure. Ang iyang 29er na tire, mo ni siya, ground control. Okay? So muna yung geometry sa Camber 29. By the way, aluminum ni siya, dili ni carbon. Ang fusion nga rear shock na ICTD. So ang yung cables ani external routing. So wala internal one. Yung crankset SRAM, not so sure the specific model, pero ang chui isang pedal Shimano Saint. So ano po siya, rear nga Nog nga USB chargeable nga light. Okay, good. Okay. Birada.